Nigerian actress Opeyemi Aiyeola recently took to social media to express her anger at fellow actress Eniola Badmus. Aiyeola accused Badmus of body shaming her after leaving a comment on one of her videos. In the video which Aiyeola shared online, her hair loss was visible. Eniola Badmus commented under the video asking, "Opa, where is your front hair?" This didn't sit well with Aiyeola, who then responded in a heated Instagram live video.
This live stream is for Eniola Badmus. This Eniola Kubama Jewo. And why? Because you, Eniola, used to be an image of ridicule and body shaming on social media. To now think that you, Eniola, who have experienced the hurt, the pain of body shaming, could come under my video.
Aiyeola said she was shocked that Eniola, who has also experienced body shaming in the past, would make such a comment. She called Badmus an animal and ignorant and said people should be careful about calling her their friend. Aiyeola explained that Eniola never interacted with her online and only showed up to mock her. The incident quickly became a trending topic online, with many Nigerians reacting differently. Some people said Eniola's comment was meant as a joke, while others said Aiyeola had every right to be upset. Others said Eniola should have been more sensitive, especially since hair loss can be caused by medical conditions. Many agree that the public figures should be more careful and kind with their words, especially on social media. This clash between two popular actresses have generated reactions both online and offline. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates about celebrities and entertainment news. Keep watching Naija News TV.